Okay, so today we are going to show you a little bit about our Vaser, which is our fat reduction machine. It is solely for fat reduction more than cellulite reduction. Cellulite is a whole different ball game in the way that you would treat it or can treat it. Basically, this uses a combination of heat and ultrasound to cause the fat cells to be destroyed. Then they go through your lymphatic system and then are excreted out. We do the treatments 5 to 7 days apart. It usually takes about an hour and 15 minutes to actually do the treatment. On your first, your third, and your fifth, and after your sixth treatment, we do measurements. We weigh you and we take pictures so we can track your progress. We start out, which I'm going to do here on Anne, we start out by opening the lymphatic system. So I'm going to start here by opening the lymphatic system in her neck, just with some very gentle massage. And because the fat is basically has to go through the lymphatic system, that is the purpose for opening them up. So we actually do this on the neck, the underarms, the groin, and behind the knees before we start the treatment. It's just a very gentle massage. Now for the underarms and the groin, we actually use the suction that is part of the Vaser itself. So, Anne, if I can have you lift up your arm. Do a little twisting motion. Open it up. Okay. So then we would do the same thing with the groin and underneath the knees. The next step, what we're going to do, so Anne is going to be treating her stomach today. An area is what we consider a size of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. We don't want to get larger than that because the heat has to be concentrated into that area, or else the procedure itself is not going to work. What's nice about this is that depending on the kind of fat that it is and the depth of the fat, we can change the settings to tailor towards it. So we treat not only the more fluffy fat, but also the denser, harder fat. And like I said, we can go really superficial for someone that just has a little bit, or we can go much deeper for someone that has a little bit more. The average person is going to lose anywhere between 1 and 4 inches, depending on how much they have to lose. So on this handpiece, there are 2 transducers here, and this is what actually heats up and transmits the ultrasound and the heat. In order for it to be effective, we have to get the patient up to a certain degrees, and so that is actually what we're trying to do. I'm going to kind of start her off on medium depth to kind of get her warmed up. And it's actually a very comfortable treatment. Kind of, a lot of people describe it as like a warm massage. Very few people actually feel that it's uncomfortable in any way. So I kind of start off pretty slow to just really try to get them heated up well. How's it? Fine. So we will actually do this part of the treatment for anywhere between 40 to 45 minutes. Afterwards, we will drain the lymphatic system with the same suction piece that I used earlier. We require that the people will drink at least a liter of water the day before, the day of, and the day after the treatment. One thing people need to remember is once these fat cells are destroyed, they are gone. But the fat cells that you have remaining will get as large as you want them to if you decide to go eat McDonald's every day. So it is permanent if you continue to eat healthy, do what you can. Thank you for watching today. If you have any further questions about the Vaser or any of our treatments, we'd love to have a consultation with you. They're always free, no obligation. We have something to treat just about anything. So if you have any skincare concerns, please give us a call. We'd love to meet with you. Thank you so much.